want the questions, okay? Is that your hair? Of course.
This ain't Texas, ain't no hold'em.
Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl KIERASHON. Today's video is brought to you by me. I purchased this unit with my own coin. Now today's video is very simple because your girl is on her way out the door. Okay, literally I'm filming this right before I'm dropping it, so bear with me as we run through this one real quick. But please understand it's an easy wig, okay? So I ain't doing too much for this unit. I barely got any leave out, so keep watching, keep watching. It is also Sip and Slay. Your girl got her a Wawa today because, like I said, it's early, okay? It is 7 o'clock in the morning. Can't be drinking wine this early. Not even for show, okay? Yeah. But anyway, before we get into the install, the specs, and what I think about this unit straight out the pack, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go. Let's go ahead and get this wig on. This one is from Amazon. I tried this wig a minute ago, like years and years ago, and it was so cute. It's from Freetress Equal. Ooh, I'm in a rush. Y'all are seeing this kind of in real time. So this is what the card is looking like. Natural Me, natural rod set. What is that, 1 inch? Oh, the rod is one inch. Yeah, in color 1B. It does come in 1B, 2, T27, T30, and T530, or T530. I did say that right. It does give you some hair care instructions. You probably can't see that because of my light. And some colors on the back with some styling options. So I'm going to try to style this with minimal leave out. My kids are literally on their way out the door. Kenny is home today, so he gets to take care of that. Is that the trash? All right, so this is what the curls are looking like. Very cute. I just have my natural hair pinned back, like kind of over itself. I have these two things in the front in case I gotta do some leave out. I got this little silk cap, wave cap thing from Amazon. It's a pack of like 6, and it does feel a lot better than the wig cap because there's not a lot of tension around my edges and it doesn't pull on my hair. Y'all know with that wig cap texture, this texture right here, if your hair isn't moisturized, you know, real nice, when you take this joint off, it's gonna take some hair with it. So just be careful when you're wearing these wig caps. So I definitely can wear this first and then put the wig cap over it if I need to, but for now, I'm not gonna do that. This is a full cap, or a half cap. What is it considered? Yeah, drawstring full cap. So we're just gonna put this on and try to blend what we need to blend. It's definitely giving rod set. It's very lightweight, like very lightweight. I feel like I have nothing on. I'm gonna bring out my 2 little pieces right here, because I will try to blend those. Should I try to blend those? No. What I'm gonna do, leave the ends in there, but I am gonna bump the front. So like that. Ooh, I gotta hurry. What are you wearing? Oh my gosh. Let me get my bobby pin, and I'm going to bobby pin the unit right here, right in the front, pull it down and bobby pin it to my cap right in there, liven the hair up. Let me just cut some of the bang a little bit, fluff it out. Let me get my gel. I don't have a brush. I don't have a brush. Is there a brush in there? Smooth that back. I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup really quick, and then we will come back with the final look. This is simple. Okay, y'all, here is the final look. What we think? I know. This took a lot less time than it did my first time I wore this one. I think the first time I wore this one, I had trouble with the front. I don't know why, but this definitely shows the growth of my wig journey, okay? Because I didn't have no trouble at all with this one. So if you wanna keep it simple, but you wanna look, go ahead and grab this one. It's giving natural hair guru. I want the questions, okay? Is that your hair? Of course. This is how it's looking in the front. No leave out, just a little bit of edges. It does have a drawstring in this wig, so you can wear it as a ponytail if you want to. Where the card at? This little style right here, you know I'm gonna do it. You know I'm gonna do it. Not in the video though, but you know I can do it. I didn't get no shedding or tangling with this wig, but I also didn't break my fingers through it, so you know, there's that. The hair, like I said, feels lightweight, it feels soft. Nothing crazy with this one, and it's $15. I mean, come on. If you're complaining about this wig and it's $15, I no longer have questions, I have looks. Because Let's be realistic here, okay? And the more you wear her, the better she will look, which is why I kind of, you know, fluff mine up like that, kind of tease it up a little bit, because I didn't want to cut too much of it out. But yeah, okay, this took me about 10 minutes, y'all, so let me go ahead and get up out of here. The kids are on the bus, and I gotta go. That's all I got for you guys today. I will put the direct link for my unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also, smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.